In the heart of Jodhpur, India, a colossal structure stands sentinel over the city. Known as the Mehrangarh fort, it's a testament to India's rich and vibrant history. This fort, with its towering walls and intricate architecture, whispers stories of the past, echoing the footfalls of rulers who once walked its halls. The history of Mehrangarh fort unfolds like the pages of an epic saga dating back to the 15th century. Rao Jodha, the 15th Rathore ruler, laid the foundation stone in 1459. He moved his capital from Mandori to the newly formed city of Jodhpur, which was named after him. The fort became a symbol of the Rathore dynasty's strength, standing tall on a rocky hill named Bakocheria, the Mountain of Birds. As centuries rolled on, the fort underwent several expansions, each adding a new layer to its grandeur. In the late 16th century, under the reign of Rao Maldeo, the fort was fortified further, making it an impregnable fortress. Its high walls and strategic location made it a formidable defense against invading armies. The 17th century saw the fort evolve into a center of art and culture under the patronage of Maharaja Jaswant Singh. The fort's palaces, filled with intricate carvings and expansive courtyards, reflected the era's architectural brilliance. The fort's walls were embellished with frescoes and mirrorwork, adding to its opulence and magnificence. The Mehrangarh fort was not just a fortress, but also a hub of administration. The fort housed the royal family, and its premises included everything from temples to courthouses. The fort's evolution continued well into the 18th and 19th centuries, with each successive ruler adding their own touch to its magnificent design. The Mehrangarh fort has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of time. Its history is not just a chronicle of the Rathore dynasty, but a testament to the resilience and spirit of India itself. In summary, the Mehrangarh fort, founded by Rao Jodha in the 15th century, stands as a symbol of the Rathore dynasty's strength. It has undergone several expansions and evolutions throughout the centuries, transforming from a fortress into a center of art and culture and a hub of administration. Today, it stands as a testament to India's rich history and resilient spirit. As we delve into the annals of history, we appreciate the fort's magnificence and the stories it continues to tell. The Mehrangarh fort is not just a monument, it's a living, breathing chronicle of India's vibrant past.